Hello there, it's Eric again and welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you're going to be able to just create an account on WEBTALK, how to fully sign up and then start earning. A lot of people have been able to sign up, but they don't really get everything done. And when you don't get everything fully done, you're not going to earn anything from the website. So in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you'll be able to just do this perfectly and then earn some money off it. So stick around so that you don't miss anything. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video and share this to anyone. So let's dive into the video. So first of all, I'm just going to use my email I used in signing up, and afterwards I'll just deactivate this account. I'm doing this because of this video. So I'm going to type in my email. And you know, when you want to sign up to this website, you can't sign up without someone referring you. So either you use the person's email or the person's link to just sign up. And I'm going to leave my link in the description, because when you go to the website, you can't see any part where you can just sign up, or you see this pop up right here unless you use someone's link or email. So I'm going to leave my email and the link in the description. So the first name I'm going to use maybe D, right? So the password should have a capital letter and then an alphabet and then any other random character like this one, example at hashtag dollar and all, something you can remember every time. So we are almost there. So what we are going to input now is our date of birth, which I'm just going to put any random date there, and then we move, and then I'm a male, and then I'm in Ghana. You can type in any country where you reside, because everyone in this world can just get access to this website. Okay, so we have to go to our email and then check if they've given us a mail on how we will be able to just confirm whatever is going on. So I'm just going to go to my email and then see if I've gotten the message yet. If you check your inbox and you don't see it, you check your spam and it might be there. So let's go to the email and check out. So we have our email right here. So we're just going to open it and then we copy this, or you can choose to click here to verify, but I prefer me clicking and then going back to the website and then just paste it right here. And then 47724. So I'm going to go to the website and then I type in the number 477249 and I'll just confirm and we are good to go. Yeah, so we are almost there, and this is the part a lot of people have been omitting. You try to put everything that is expected of you. So you see 15%, you have to add your experience, that is 15%, upload a picture 15%, and then follow 10 people 15%, and then educational background, a short bio of you, and then all sum up to 100%. So that is what you have to do before you get your accounts done. So I'm just gonna say Titbits, it's my company, and then YouTuber, and then location Accra, and then I still work there. So I'm just gonna tick this side and I'll just write a month and then January 2017 and save. You save and you continue. So YouTuber, I just want to do anything randomly. So you put in whatever you do, right? And then you are good to go. And then we save and continue. So the next thing we are going to do is we are going to put in our educational background, so BSc, and then we just put laboratory technology, and then school, University of Ghana, and then you put in Accra. And mind you, you need to put in all these things before you are going to be able to just earn money from it, because if you just do it randomly, you can't earn anything from it. So you save and then you continue, and then you are going to post a picture. So let me just put in a random picture right here, and then we see something, a random picture. Let me just put it right there, but I'm going to delete it. I'm actually going to delete this account after everything, because I already have an account and I don't want to have multiple accounts right here. I just want to take this one very, very serious. Yeah, so, and then after we are done, we save and continue. So you see we have 45% right here, so it's going to upload. I think this is the part that takes a bit of time, and yeah, so let's see how long it will take for it to just upload and we move forward. Okay, so what you are going to write is your bio about yourself, something. So I'm open to everyone. Yes, we want to just keep this short, and then you save and continue, and then you follow up to 10 people. So that is basically what you have to do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And mind you, I'm telling you, you can't just say you wouldn't do this, because someone will also do the same for you. They will just follow you when they just get on board. So you have to do it, and then you are good to go. So when you're done, you come to here and then complete profile, and you see 100% done. So right now, we don't want to view our profile. We want to enroll and then be part of where we are going to be able to do what, earn cash. So what you have to do is you click on enroll like this. This is very, very serious, and this is the part you guys need to take very, very serious. And you take this thing and then you write your name. So the Teddy, right? And you see someone just started following this page already, and then you sign the agreement, and then what you do is you continue, and they're going to bring you to this page. But we want to go back like this. We don't want to upgrade right now. We just want to deal with a free version. Okay, so we're going to click this side here, and then you enroll. You go to rewards, and that is where you have to put things together in order to be able to just refer your friends right here. So if you don't put in this right here, you're not going to be able to earn anything. So you click on link pay account, and then you click this side, add, and then most often this is what I'm going to suggest for you to use, Pioneer. And then when you click on link account like this, it's not going to open. So you click on create. If you already have an account, you click on create still, and when it opens like this or it pops up like this, what you're going to do is, I already have an account. If you don't have an account already, then you just sign up right here. You see your email and all stuffs are here. I already have an account, so I'm not going to do this, but this is the part I want to show you guys. I want you guys to take very, very serious and take notes, else you're not going to be able to earn anything. So when you are done, this side is just going to tick like this, and then you're going to see Pioneer right here, meaning you are going to be earning with the Pioneer. And then this side is going to be just ticked, and then you are good to go. So that means from here you can just refer people by coming here and picking your links right here and then sharing to people. Most often, I'm just going to advise you to just pick this one and then share to people, or you can share with people your username like this, and then people are just going to be able to just come to the website through your name, or copy your ID, however way you feel you want people to just join the platform with your name, and you're good to go. I hope this video was very helpful, and if it was, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and then share it to anyone you think is going to be helpful to them. Tell your friends to get on board with your link so that you earn, and then they earn on this website. It is something very cool, and I urge you all to just take action right now. Like now, you sign up with a link in the description so that you also earn. And then without further ado, I'm just going to catch you in the next video. Bye.